We are on site here in Southampton today to take a look at a kitchen renovation that we recently wrapped up. These customers got a brand new kitchen just in time for the new year. Let's come in and take a look. So if you'll notice here, this kitchen was done in Galaxy's timber through Fabuwood. This was a new stain that was offered this year. It's been really popular. This is the first full kitchen that we've done with it. Had some other spaces that we did and then some islands as well, but this is the full kitchen done in Galaxy timber. Really came out well. I love how it blends with the white walls that we painted for this customer. The brand new white countertop, which is a nice quartz with a nice veining through it. Really complements everything well. They went with black handles, matches their appliance as well with the black and stainless steel on the microwave and the range, and then the fridge and the sink as well. Something that's always fun, this customer added in a pot filler here. So ran some water over here, so you can always do that right above the range. And then right where I'm standing, this actually used to be a wall. So they had a sectioned off area for their dining room into their kitchen. We blew that out, gave them a brand new open concept. They got some seating right over here, and then a beautiful beverage center, which is always great. Add the Keurigs and all your appliances, all the good stuff, the bev, fridge, just all around beautiful stuff here. You got a nice long island right in the middle here with 4 seats on the overhang, so you can dine right here in the kitchen. Subway tile backsplash here. Really good accent pieces here. They blend super well with the quartz and with the cabinets. We add in some recessed lighting up here on the ceiling, pendant lights above the island here, and then some under cabinet lighting that just really livens up the place. But all around, just beautiful kitchen how this one came out. This customer just had a really outdated one. Wanted to spruce it up a little bit, so they came to Dailey and we were able to give them this beautiful space to enjoy.